What is cognitive development theory? Cognitive development theory is a broad theory of psychological development that encompasses the growth and change of cognitive abilities over time. The theory was first proposed by Swiss psychologist Jean Piaget in the 1920s and 1930s, and has since become a cornerstone of developmental psychology. According to Piaget, cognitive development occurs in a series of stages, each characterized by distinct cognitive processes and abilities. These stages are universal and occur in the same order across all individuals, although the timing and pace of development may vary. The first stage of cognitive development is the sensoromotor stage, which occurs from birth to approximately 2 years of age. In this stage, infants learn about the world through their senses and motor actions. They develop basic concepts of object permanence, which is the understanding that objects continue to exist even when they are not visible. This stage is also marked by the emergence of simple mental representations of the world, such as mental images. The second stage of cognitive development is the pre-operational stage, which occurs from approximately 2 to 7 years of age. In this stage, children develop more sophisticated mental representations and can use symbols, such as language, to represent objects and events. However, they still have difficulty with logical thinking and are easily misled by appearance or superficial aspects of a situation. The third stage of cognitive development is the concrete operational stage, which occurs from approximately 7 to 12 years of age. In this stage, children become more adept at logical thinking and can understand concepts of conservation, which is the understanding that changes in appearance do not necessarily imply changes in quantity or volume. They can also use inductive reasoning to draw conclusions based on observations and evidence. The fourth and final stage of cognitive development is the formal operational stage, which begins at approximately 12 years of age and continues into adulthood. In this stage, individuals are able to think abstractly, reason logically, and engage in hypothetical and deductive reasoning. They can also think about multiple variables and anticipate potential outcomes. Piaget's cognitive development theory has been influential in shaping our understanding of human development, particularly in the realm of education. For example, it suggests that children need to have the opportunity to explore and interact with their environment in order to develop their cognitive abilities. It also suggests that teaching should be tailored to the developmental stage of the learner in order to be most effective. However, the cognitive development theory has also been criticized for oversimplifying the complexity of human development and for underestimating the role of social and cultural factors in shaping cognitive development. Other theorists, such as Lev Vygotsky, have emphasized the importance of social interactions and cultural contexts in cognitive development. Vygotsky's theory of cognitive development emphasizes the role of culture and social interactions in shaping cognitive development. According to Vygotsky, cognitive development is a collaborative process in which children learn through interactions with more knowledgeable individuals, such as parents or teachers. This process is known as scaffolding, which refers to the support provided by more knowledgeable individuals to enable the learner to accomplish tasks that would be too difficult to accomplish alone. Vygotsky also emphasized the importance of cultural tools, such as language and technology, in shaping cognitive development. For example, language provides a means for children to communicate and to understand the world around them, and technology provides tools for problem-solving and learning. Thank you for your attention, and until next time.